Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to land high tickets on web design clients in 2025. If you want to start working with premium clients who truly value your expertise, make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. First, work on your positioning. Position yourself as a specialist in specific industry. Instead of being a general web designer, focus on something niche like photography, website, e-commerce stores, or law firms. Craft a strong positioning statement that highlights your unique value and make sure to in front and center on your website. Step 2. Next, time to drop lower paying clients. Stop working with clients who have tiny budgets. This shift allows you to focus only on premium clients while maintaining a high end brand image. If you want to charge more, you have to attract clients who are willing to invest in quality web design. Step 3. Third, your website needs to reflect your premium service. Redesign your website to showcase a strong portfolio, client testimonials, and clear pricing that appeals to high ticket clients. Make sure every element, them layout to messaging, positions as your high end web designer. Step 4. Your marketing strategy matters. Use LinkedIn to actively promote your services and engage with decision makers at large companies. Write guest posts for high profile websites in your niche and attend networking events to connect with the right people. The more you build authority, the easier it becomes to attract premium clients. Step 5. Finally, invest the professional web design software and automation tools to deliver exceptional results while streamlining your workflow. How ticket clients expect precision and efficiency. So make sure you're using tools that enhance your output. And that's how you can start landing high ticket web design clients in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.